Hello guys, I am Brian. Today in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to disable or enable Windows Defender on Windows 10. Let's start. Go to Start and type Regedit. Click Registry Editor. Now follow my directory pattern. Local machines, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. You should be having just one file named default. On this directory right-click New D-word 32-bit value and name it as shown and disable anti-spyware. Now make another D-word 32-bit value and name it as shown disable antivirus. Now double-click and type in 1 instead of 0 on both. Both should now be 1 not 0 like mine. Close the window. Let's check if Windows Defender is disabled now. If it's not disabled, then restart your PC. Check again. As we can see, it is disabled permanently. Now to enable Windows Defender again, go to Start, type Regedit. Click Registry. Go to the same location as before. Delete the 2 files we created earlier and restart your PC. Now Windows Defender again is enabled. Thanks for watching.